And welcome everybody to the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. I'm your host Dan, aka smAsho, with this special Christmas Eve edition, of your meteorology segment. First thing we're looking at are the surface winds of the Western world. Let me rotate that a little bit. There we go. There are the surface winds of the Western world. Strongest winds showing up here right at the southern tip of Greenland. Just the tip, folks. Just the tip. Here is the jet stream situation in the Western world. We've got some cold air blowing down toward the Azores and the Canary Islands. Anyway, that's the jet stream scenario, and quite chaotic jet stream flow continuing in both hemispheres. Here are the jet streams of the Eastern world. And shout out to our viewers from this side of the planet. We've got quite a few viewers from Munda. And thanks everybody who tunes in from internationally, as well as to our American viewers. So those are the jet streams of the Eastern world, and quite chaotic in the Southern Hemisphere, a little bit more concentrated in the north. A huge divergence happening here in the North Pacific, as well as a convergence happening over Eastern Asia. Anyway, there's the surface wind scenario for the Eastern world. And let's blast through some more data. How about a European model snow depth forecast for Europe? Let's get rid of the pressure lines. There is the current snow depth. We're going to bring this forward 48 hours. So this is the 48-hour snow depth forecast for Europe. That's where things will be at. That's 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. New York time, that is. So not that much snow in Europe. Quite a bit of snow in the northwestern portion of the U.S. So that's your snow depth forecast for the U.S. Bring that back and back forward again. That's 12 noon Eastern time. And here's your GFS model snow depth forecast. This is snow depth positive change in centimeters. So this is the Christmas Eve and Christmas Day snowfall for Europe. Again, that's based on the GFS model, and totals are in centimeters. Here's the US model. Totals are in inches here. It's through the same period of time. It's a 48-hour positive snow depth change forecast. So additional snow now forecasted here for Pennsylvania. We got some snow last night. We've got some photos of that on the Instagram page. Check it out, instagram.com/smAsho. Got some great giant snowflakes that we photographed last night while doing some automotive repairs. Next, your weather.gov map. Huge red flag warnings here in northern Texas, as well as some gale warnings around Hawaii and Alaska. If your county's lit up, just head to weather.gov and click your county. New England, shout out to Mr. Keebler. New England seeing some winter weather advisories there. Again, if your county's lit up, just click on it. Here's the NASA GOES lightning map, or no terrestrial lightning in the U.S., except a little bit in northern Minnesota showing up there. Here's a real-time lightning map. And we may see some lightning here in Oregon. Nope, looks like old signals. Anyway, there's your real-time lightning map. Lightning situation quite calm here. Not a lot of lightning at all, according to lightningmaps.org. All largely quiet on the lightning front. There's some Middle Eastern lightning. This video was originally streamed live to Twitch. It's such a great mobile platform that we use it on the regs. Twitch.tv/smAsho. Please host the videos over there. And hey, we've been catching on over at Twitch, so that's just a delight. We're stoked about that at the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. Twitch is our main live streaming platform, but we do regularly stream live to YouTube as well, despite the pathetic censorship. We're also on BitChute. Thanks to our subscribers over there. And if you're only watching on BitChute, make sure you go view on YouTube. You're missing like 90% of the content. Thanks to our YouTube viewers for putting up with the pathetic censorship on the platform. We hope it ends soon. We insist that you fix your junkware. Google. Thanks to everybody who supported the channel by becoming a member of the Smash team. We've got continued free posts throughout the old year, so go check it out. as a lot of the posts will go dark again starting the first day of the year. So there is the latest scenario. By the way, if you're in the market for a bike, if you're a prepper and you don't own a bike, you're not prepped. Since it's the most efficient means ever devised to transport humans, you should put a bike in your prepping supplies. I'll tell you which ones. Click the link. Or if you're going to pick up bike racing, I can take you to that end of the spectrum as well. And let me just check the life of the stream here at Smash News Network, least busted name of news. We prefer to have a functioning stream. Here's the water vapor scenario over the Pacific Ocean. We show it daily as the Pacific Ocean is the world's largest body of water. Were you aware that water vapor is a greenhouse gas? I know. You may argue the concept of greenhouse gases in general, thermal spectra, etc. I won't get into it. It's our meteorology segment that we do daily. We'll have to save that for a different video. But anyway, that's the water vapor scenario. Certainly, it's empirical data in terms of water vapor in the atmosphere over the Pacific Ocean. Here's your U.S. Doppler radar. We'll zoom out for a quick moment here to show all 50 states as we aim to please. Anyway, here is the lower 48. Very heavy precipitation there in Arizona. Here's the cloud layer. It's the shortwave NASA GOES radiation map. Low clouds continuing over the Gulf, as well as the northeastern portion of the Atlantic Ocean there. Actually, this is the western Atlantic. My bad. The low clouds. There are low clouds. Also low clouds over the Gulf. Anyway, here's the water vapor map, I think. Maybe not. Maybe so. And here's the water vapor map for the lower 48. Quite a bit of moisture making it here from Baja California all the way up to South Dakota. And indeed to Lake Superior, really. Just a long band of moisture there. Here's a recap, the lower 48 U.S. Doppler radar map. That's radar.weather.gov if you're wondering. Here is the shortwave radiation map showing clouds and fog at nighttime. And here is the water vapor. Hopefully that helped. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted. Name and news.